Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make text appear one by one in Canva. Whether you're prepping an engaging presentation, a slick social media post, or just want to take your Canva skills to the next level, you'll come away from this tutorial knowing how to create that eye-catching text animation, either word by word or even character by character. It's a simple trick that'll instantly level up the polish and professionalism of your designs, and I'll walk you through each part. So let's dive right in. First, head over to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry, it's web-based and super user-friendly. Just go to Canva.com and sign in or create an account if you need one. Once you're in, we're going to start by creating a presentation project. Presentations are awesome for this effect because they really let your animations shine. So just click on Create a Design and select Presentation. This gives you a blank canvas that's perfectly sized and, importantly, comes with all the necessary animation tools built in. After your presentation opens up, you'll see a bunch of template options on the left. Go ahead and scroll through and pick one that matches the vibe or tone you want, maybe something bold and colorful for an announcement or something clean and minimal for professional slides. Just remember you can always tweak and customize it as we go, so don't stress about finding the perfect template right off the bat. With your template chosen, let's make it your own. You're going to want to reorganize the text a bit so it fits your unique style or the specific message you're aiming for. This is a really fun step. Think of it like arranging words on a fridge. Maybe you want a dramatic entrance for a title, or maybe you're telling a story and each word deserves its own spotlight. Here's the pro tip. Add your text as separate Canva text objects for each word if you want them to appear one by one. For a really fine effect, you can even break some into individual letters. Don't worry if this part feels a little fiddly at first. Just take your time and reposition each element until the spacing and layout feel right for your message. Now let's bring it to life with animation. Click on each text box one at a time and you'll see an option at the top for animate. This is where Canva truly shines. From here, you can pick the animation style you love. Try fade, typewriter, or pop for those classic entrance effects. When you select an animation, look for the speed controls. These allow you to fine-tune how quickly or slowly each word or character appears. Want to build a little suspense? Set the speed a bit slower. If you want a snappy, energetic vibe, speed it up. Remember, you can preview the animation as you go, so don't be afraid to experiment until it feels just right for your design. And really, that's it. Once you've set your animation preferences for each text box, hit preview to make sure you're happy with the packing and the flow. If anything looks off, just tweak the timing or even rearrange the order. This technique adds such a powerful storytelling element. It's like reading a page-turner where the words appear exactly as you want them. So there you have it, a complete walkthrough for animating text one by one in Canva. If this helped you, give the video a like, and if you have any questions or hit a snag, drop a comment below. I love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Canva and design tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.